Hi guys, a third look at this camera. I was just looking at it without filming and realised that I have actually managed to get this circuit board loose. I thought it was still screwed down somewhere. So if I disconnect these leads again, flat ribbon cables. Now I thought this was still connected, but it looks like we're actually free. Or nearly free. I'll just touch the tag there again. That looks like another one we can release. It should release, doesn't want to. Oh, let's get some more of that tape. I keep finding one more tag there. I thought I'd covered it. If you missed the previous video, I keep electrocuting myself on the contacts for the flash. So I've put some tape over it to try and stop me electrocuting myself. It makes me jump and makes me drop the camera, which is not good. Right, what's holding us? These are obviously holding us. They're not going to come apart. But that one there, that white ribbon, doesn't seem to want to come loose. Why can't I get that loose? Right, got it. Okay, there we go. So that's a bit more progress than we had yesterday. I still don't expect to be able to do anything useful with all this. I did get some luck the other day on a different project where I just cleaned the contacts, sprayed them with some contact cleaner, gave them a rub, and then everything worked. So that's worth a try. I see, that's a row of tags there that went into there. We on camera? No, just off camera there, sorry. Yeah, that row of pins go into that row of sockets. Pins and sockets, yeah. So the actual camera sensor is going to be in there somewhere on the back of that. Yeah, I might just try, say, spraying that strip, and that strip with contact cleaner. Give it a little rub with a cotton bud. Push that back together and see if it makes any difference. I'm not holding out any hope whatsoever. This is very much poke and hope. I don't have a clue what I'm really doing, other than some very basic electrical knowledge. If nothing else, I do rather like that little electric motor. While we've got it apart, I can now see that these two screws that I removed from here, all they're doing is holding the compact flash card socket in place. So I can put them back on. That'll be two less screws to try and remember where they came from. It's not good news, I'm afraid. Having taken that off, cleaned the contacts and put it back on again, nothing is happening. So somehow or other, when I've unplugged that, cleaned it and put it back, something has gone wrong and nothing is happening at all now. Yeah, not getting the LEDs come on or anything. It's like that row of tags in there, somehow or other, they haven't gone back in the right order, but there is no two ways of doing it. They can only go in one way. But we don't seem to have a connection between the batteries and this circuit board now. I have disconnected and reconnected several times before filming this bit, just in case I've got it wrong. Well, clearly I've got something wrong, but yeah, we've gone backwards a step now. Having got it apart, putting it back together again, and nothing works. That's a shame. I thought we were going to make progress then. But I think that's probably an end to it. We've gone as far as we're going to go, because it doesn't work anymore. Well, not that this helps now, but I've just spotted that is a little button cell, which, if we look at the back of it, is completely rusty. So that's not going to be helping anything. I think that's just retains the settings. So it probably doesn't matter as far as switching it on and off again. But that is clearly in need of replacement. But at the moment, it's not working at all. Something I've done, taking this board off, has actually stopped it working. And I don't know what. That one looked like it might have been a little bit loose. I might have loosened it, so I just pushed that back in again. So I'll put it back together one more time, but I think we're now on the losing side. Yeah, we're still dead. So something in taking that off and putting it back again has actually caused a problem. That's a shame. I thought we were going to make some progress then. But no, we're apparently dead. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.